Vitamin A, those are very important for your skin. I would not recommend every single person to just take omega-3, 6, 9 supplements, and obviously consult with a doctor because every single supplement could have a side effect, especially even vitamin A in this case. But if your diet consists of green leafy vegetables, of fatty fish and liver, eggs, you should be good. I also love to add nuts and seeds, and you don't really need to eat a lot during the day, and you could include them in a healthy snack, say a banana and your favorite nuts, or an apple in your favorite nuts. Another supplement that I might recommend could be a fish liver oil, but again, it's very important to find a good quality product so you make sure that you do not contain additional elements that you don't really want to be in your supplement. So whenever possible, try to always make sure that you have good digestion, because sometimes those supplements cost a lot and they don't really deliver because your digestion just can't do it. Vitamin D encourages new cell growth, but I would again encourage you to just get a natural form of vitamin D. Whenever possible, 15 minutes a day, you could expose yourself to sunlight, and this should do the trick. Obviously, you shouldn't have sunscreen all over your body for that to happen, but I find it to be the best approach to get the vitamin D, and that's very, very important. This will actually do two things. You will spend a little time outside and you would get a little bit of sun. Now let's talk about silica. It actually helps to strengthen collagen, keratin, elastin, and other forms of connective tissue. Whole grains and seeds, oats, rice, and flax would be good sources of it. There are also a lot of herbs that you could use for that purpose. Actually, a lot of purposes. They're called nutritive herbs, and I will share those for your skin vitality in my next video. But just right now, we'll say that nettle and oat straw can provide some silica too. Of course, we can't forget about vitamin C. We all know about how popular it is for skincare products, but when we just have it in our diet, it's also very good. It actually enhances the quality and the healing of our connective tissue, and it also helps to absorb other nutrients. Bioflavonoids are present in almost all natural sources of vitamin C, and they improve the action of vitamin C. I love hibiscus flowers if you want to brew a tea. I love rose hips, but of course good old citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, tomatoes would really serve as a good vitamin C source in your diet. I would also mention that fresh, recently dried, or raw sources of vitamin C would be the best to consider. Of course, I cannot not mention amino acids. They are very important building blocks of protein, very essential for almost every single component in your skin and connective tissue. And of course, the good amount of protein should absolutely be in your diet, especially after the age of 30. And here, you could either use combined plant sources or good quality animal protein. Of course, it depends on your diet preferences. Just make sure that it's there on a daily basis. Dark leafy greens, nuts and seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, Brazil nuts, wild edible greens, spinach, barley, other whole grains, and lentils will also be a wonderful source. So these are just the key elements. It's not too much. I don't want to overwhelm you, but again, I want to stress here that it's very important that your digestion works properly, because if it's not, even if you have all those in your diet on a daily basis 3 times a day, it won't really do much good. For that, of course, I will recommend you to work closely with your doctor, but I could just, as far as herbal remedies, I could say that bitter herbs, and there are some bitters that you can find on the market, they usually help with digestion a lot. But you have to always control the portions, you should not overeat, and you should be active throughout the day. If you're taking bitters, consider taking them before meals, or as advised on the certain brand. So ideally, you would provide yourself with these nutrients on a daily basis, because your skin is in constant process of regeneration each month. That's why they actually advise you to use a certain product for your skin for at least 28 to 30 days. This is actually when you will see your skin regeneration and any signs of improvement, if there is any. Always listen to your body, because this is your body, and what's good for one person might not be good for you. So there is no one rule fits all. So try to always learn how to listen to your body. I think this is something we all need to actually learn these days, because very often we neglect those urges and needs that our bodies have, and with time, if we do so, our bodies sort of stop talking to us, and it's actually a wonderful feeling to just try and understand that you're full already, or you're not very hungry today, or that your body actually wants a certain ingredient. So for example, every single time before my period, I am craving garlic like crazy. I have noticed that has been happening. It's springtime. It's springtime right now, so I might be lacking some vitamins there. So I'm listening to my body and I'm giving my body what it needs, hopefully helping it out. If you like this video, or if you have anything else to add that you've been consuming and that you've seen a great difference in your appearance, I would love you to share it with us. As always, do not forget to put the thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know, any video suggestions, and I will be happy to make those. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in my next video.